Now, how much is in this hat?
Gee, $1 billion? Or more than that.
See what I mean? They were nowhere near. There's only 100,000 here.
$1 billion stacked upright without an accident is about 800 times the height of the Washington Monument. $1 billion on the ground, all stretched out and uncurled, would extend about 4 times around the circumference of the world.
Pick one up each second, day and night without a break. In 32 years you'd have them all, but oh, your back would ache.